Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play a Windows Media Player playlist in VLC Media Player. Whether you're switching from Windows Media Player to VLC, or you just want to keep using your existing playlists without rebuilding them, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer and make sure it's running properly. Once VLC is open, don't click anything yet, we'll come back to it in just a moment, so keep it open in the background and ready to go. Next, open File Explorer and locate your Windows Media Player playlist file. These playlists usually have a WPL extension and are commonly found inside your Music or Playlists folder. When you see the WPL file, this is exactly what VLC needs to load your tracks. To make the process smoother, here's a quick tip. Make sure the original music files haven't been moved or deleted. Since WPL files simply point to where your songs are stored, VLC needs access to those locations to play everything correctly. Once that's done, simply drag the WPL file from File Explorer and drop it directly into the VLC Media Player window or playlist area. VLC will instantly populate the playlist, and your tracks will be ready to play. You can now control playback just like any normal VLC playlist, including shuffle, repeat, and skipping tracks. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to play Windows Media Player playlists in VLC without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it.